President Emerson Mnangagwa has demoted Foreign Affairs Minister Frederick Shava, replacing him with Amon Morira, the former Minister of Higher and Tertiary Education, Innovation, Science and Technology Development. Sana vina mashukana muda itakuwa panapa are shocking awana awaona kuti aiwa Mnangagwa is the top diplomat aiwa anobvisiwa from his post anozikana kuti ari very close kune mutungamiri wenyika andobva subscribe like turn the bell kuti tipinda muzimu ai unabonyera chiti. The move comes at a critical time as Zimbabwe continues to grapple with strained relations with the Western nations, rooted in nearly 2 decades of diplomatic isolation and economic sanctions. Shava's ouster is seen as a significant reshuffle in Mnangagwa's cabinet, particularly as the Foreign Affairs Ministry plays a vital role in attracting foreign direct investment (FDI) and mending ties with the Western powers, which have been sour since Zimbabwe's controversial land reform program in 2000. Zimbabwe's foreign relations took a drastic turn in the early 2000s when the then President Robert Mugabe government violently seized land from white commercial farmers and move that drew widespread international condemnation. Despite Mnangagwa's promises of reform and re-engagement with international community, Zimbabwe's relations with the Western have remained largely stagnant. Ndomashkwamboda panapa ari shocking vanhu vachiona aiwa Frederick Shava achifaiwa achibviswa with the ministry kwanga ari vanhu zvavashamisika vachiona kuti chii chiri kuda kuzamba kumboitika hatinyasombozvinzwisika kuti aiwa anongomuviwa pasina kana chaiita. We don't know the reasons avaita kuti vaite the drastic shift. Tunze mafunguro enyu matikudipa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.